How to restart routines after the holidays. The holidays disrupt routines for almost everyone. Late nights, travel, irregular meals, and time off can make returning to daily structure feel overwhelming. If restarting routines feels harder than expected, it's not a lack of discipline, it's your nervous system adjusting. Let's talk about how to restart routines after the holidays in a realistic, supportive way. Number 1. Start with one anchor habit. Trying to fix everything at once leads to burnout. Choose one steady habit to anchor your day, like waking up at the same time, eating breakfast, or going for a short walk. When one routine stabilizes, the rest follow more easily. Number 2. Reduce decision fatigue. After the holidays, your mental energy is often low. Planning small details in advance, like meals, outfits, or schedules, removes friction from your day. Less decision-making means more energy for consistency. Number 3. Reintroduce movement gently. You don't need to jump back into intense exercise. Gentle movement helps regulate mood, improve sleep, and reset energy. Consistency matters more than intensity when rebuilding routines. Number 4. Reset sleep before productivity. Sleep is the foundation of all routines. Aim for a consistent bedtime and wake time, even if other habits lag behind. Better sleep improves focus, motivation, and emotional regulation, making routines easier to sustain. Number 5. Adjust expectations and practice self-compassion. Productivity may feel slower at first. That's normal. Restarting routines is a transition, not a test. Celebrate showing up, not perfection. Progress grows when pressure decreases. Routines don't return through force. They return through patience, repetition, and care. When you move at a pace your body and mind can handle, routines become supportive instead of exhausting. At SDKare, our licensed providers help you rebuild routines after disruptions like the holidays. Whether you're navigating stress, burnout, ADHD, or anxiety, we support you in creating realistic structure that works for your life, all through telehealth care. You don't have to rush your way back to normal. Small steps count. SDKare, simple, dedicated, care for your mind, body, and daily balance.